In this video, I want to make it to where our points that are specific to us are slightly larger than the others. So for example, here we have 3 clients. I want my points to appear bigger. So that way I can know, okay, these are mine. And likewise, this is, a concept we can expand upon farther in terms of design and all that, but that'll be later. So the simplest way, at least for now, is going to literally be to change the font size. So for example, if I drag and drop the WBP points, we have our text block. Then if I bump the size up to say, 50, we can see it got a lot bigger. So we'll put that back at 32. Actually, let's make it something smaller, like 26 by default. And what we want to do is after we set everything, we're going to grab our player state and we want to get the controller. Or was it player controller? Yeah, get player controller. And 2 things. We need to first check if it's valid. So if it is not valid, then there is no chance of us owning this player state. If it is valid, there's a chance we own it or we're on the server. So after we check that it's valid, we want to see, is it the local controller? So is local controller. So with that, if it is the local controller, then we know we want to set the text block points font size. So let's go ahead and we'll just split it. Actually, is there a size in here? Yeah, not that I know of. So in our case, we are going to set the font size to 32, compile, save, and give it a try. Okay, so I guess that kind of reset the rest of the stuff. So yeah, we need to, pre-populate it. So let's see if I can copy the entire font. Oh wait, no, that's actually not going to work. So let's see, we have Rabat something something. Font material, not using. I guess everything else is pretty much default. Also, I forgot to remove that entry. So let's see. Okay, so as you can see, ours is now bigger. And same thing on this guy. So if I was to go ahead and spend points, you can see it is our points that was adjusted. So that's really all I wanted to do for this point in time. I just wanted to get the logic here. So I want to take this and I want to wrap it into an event. So let's make a custom event and let's do it. Let's call it something like setup local player styling. So we're going to take this and just cut it and paste. So that way, when we come back to this to go to, through and visually improve it, we have a good spot to start. So let's just go ahead and call setup local player styling, and we are good to go. So again, that's just all I wanted to do. Very simple. I don't want to go too in depth and do something much more, mostly because I have no idea what I'm doing with UMG. So that's yeah, we'll just leave it at that. But anyways, I'll see you in the next video. If you like what I'm doing and you want to help support me, you can find a link to my Patreon in the description below, where you can also get early access to this entire series.